Polly in the kitchen tiptoes on the floor, spots a shiny kettle, can't reach the drawer. She wiggles and she giggles, stretches up so tall, slides a little stool in place. Now I won't fall. Polly, Polly, put the kettle on. Put it on. Steam is singing, tea won't take too long. Sing along, sing along. Friends are coming, won't be waiting long. Clap along, clap along. Polly, Polly, put the kettle on. Put it on. Sammy smells the biscuits racing down the stair, knocks his toys like bowling pins rolling everywhere. Millie brings her crayons, spills them with a spin, rainbow dots across the tiles, party can begin. Polly, Polly, put the kettle on. Put it on. Steam is singing, tea won't take too long. Sing along, sing along. Mugs in a circle, friends are humming strong. Come along. Polly, Polly, put the kettle on. Put the kettle on. Bubble, bubble, tiny pops, tiny feet do tippy tops. Careful hands and grown-ups near, hot and cozy fun is here. Polly, Polly, put the kettle on. Put it on, put it on. Laughter lifting